Smartphones today are our go-to cameras. Every selfie, family photo, or vacation video is instantly captured, and before we know it, our storage space is screaming low memory. And this is where Dropbox Camera Upload helps you. It saves your photos and videos directly to the cloud. But there's one problem. Once you upload everything to Dropbox, you will still find your phone loaded with the same files, eating up precious storage. You want to delete them from your phone, but there's a big fear. What if they also disappear from Dropbox? In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions, explain how Dropbox Sync works, and share best practices to free up storage while keeping your memory safe. Before you start deleting anything, it's important to understand how Camera Upload functions in Dropbox. Once enabled, Dropbox automatically uploads photos and videos from your phone's camera roll to your Dropbox account. Uploads usually go to the Camera Upload folder inside Dropbox. Dropbox works on a sync principle. Delete a file from the Dropbox app on your phone, and it also deletes it from the cloud. This is where many people get stuck. If you tap delete inside the Dropbox app, the file disappears everywhere. To avoid this, you need to follow the right method. In your Dropbox app on your phone, go to your account, go to Settings, select Camera Upload, and make sure that the toggle is turned on. If this is already enabled, your photos and videos are backed up. If not, turn it on before moving forward. Before deleting from your phone, always double-check that your files are in Dropbox. Go to your Dropbox app, go to Camera Upload folder, confirm that the photos and videos you want to delete are visible and accessible. Make sure you open a few files to make sure they're uploaded properly and not just the thumbnail. Dropbox has a very handy feature called Free Up Space. Instead of manually deleting files, this often removes them from your phone while keeping them safe in your Dropbox. If your storage space is becoming full, the Free Up Space option will be shown here. Dropbox will scan your photos and remove photos and videos already backed up. This way, you can retain your storage on your phone without the fear of losing your files in the cloud. If you prefer deleting manually, then you need to open your phone's gallery app and select the photos videos you want to delete and delete them directly from your phone. Since the uploads are already in Dropbox, they'll remain safe. Just avoid deleting them inside the Dropbox app itself. Once you've cleared your files from your phone, recheck your Dropbox Camera Uploads folder to confirm everything is still intact. Try restoring one file to your phone for peace of mind. Make sure you always delete your phone's gallery or use the Free Up Space tool. Deleting from inside Dropbox will sync the deletion to cloud as well. Camera uploads can eat up data quickly. Set Dropbox uploads only over to Wi-Fi to save mobile data costs. If you're backing up thousands of photos for the first time, keep your phone on charge overnight so the process isn't interrupted. Open Dropbox once in a while to make sure files are uploading. A poor connection might leave some photos unsynced. Dropbox is secure, but for extra safety, consider an external hard drive or another cloud service. That way, even if something goes wrong, you still have a copy. Don't let the Camera Upload folder become a giant dump. Create subfolders so you can easily find what you need later. If you also use Dropbox on a computer, enable selective sync so your PC doesn't get cluttered with thousands of mobile photos. Test the restore every few months, pick a random photo or video, download it back from Dropbox and confirm it works. This ensures your backup isn't corrupted or missing files. Dropbox Camera Upload feature is handy for keeping your photos safe in cloud, but it can also take up too much space on your phone. By setting it up to remove photos from your device after uploading, you free up storage without losing memories. Whether you adjust the settings or use a manual method, the goal is to have more space on your phone and the relaxation that all your photos are still secure in Dropbox.